Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study chapter 5, that is nullify your weaknesses. Okay, so before going to start in this chapter, we will try to know about the meaning of nullify your weaknesses. Okay, so my dear children, this heading nullify or weaknesses is indicates that you and me have some weaknesses, but how to manage or coping with weaknesses, it is up to us. So my dear children, now we will try to know that how can we make strength our how can we make weaknesses our strength. I have some points which will help to convert weaknesses into strength. Okay, so see here some few points which will help to convert weaknesses into strength. First one, identify your weaknesses. So we have to know about ourselves and what are the weaknesses we have. If we know our weaknesses, we can manage and remove them. Second point, every weaknesses has a corresponding strength. It means, as we know that suppose we have a weaknesses, but behind it we have strength also. So we have to recognize strength. Okay, now third one, get advice from others. So as we know that if we confuse about something, we have to take advice from elders and we have to discuss about it. And fourth one, find people to fill skill gaps. Okay, means we have to make friendship with them who knows and who has a good skill and knowledge, so we can learn from them. And fifth one, seek to improve your skill. Means you have to identify your skills and weaknesses and strengths. Okay, so all these 5 points will help to improve our strength. So my dear children, I hope you all understood. Okay, so but see, in this chapter we will study value taught. Your weaknesses can be your strength. So we will try to know your weaknesses can be your strength. And second one, life skill develop. Okay, like self awareness, problem solving, coping with emotions, coping with stress, and critical thinking. So, in this chapter, we will try to know all these points. I hope you understood till here. Now, see the chapter. The personality of every person. Personality of every person living on earth has some strength as well as some weaknesses. So we have already discussed that people has a strength as well as weaknesses also, but he or she has to know about it. What are the weaknesses and strength? If he or she able to know about the weaknesses or strength, he can manage his life easily. People are neither completely strong or nor completely weak. Okay, so we can't say that some are too lazy or weak, or some are more strong or stable. So everyone has some weaknesses or some strength. Okay, or he or she has to know about it. However, the one who is determined and strong-willed nullifies his weaknesses and capitalizes on his strength. Means anyone